Introduced in the Xiaomi 13 Lite, the ultimate mid-range phone by Xiaomi that is set to take the market by storm in 2023. The phone's everything you want in a smartphone: elegant design, lightweight, and excellent performance. The Xiaomi 12 Lite was a fantastic mid-range device with good camera performances and design, but the 13 Lite and upgrade offering a faster processor, thinner frame, and some other tweaks. The device is a Gorilla Glass 5-screen IP53 water and dust resistant rating, making it ideal for rainy days and a trip to the beach. Unlike other manufacturers, Xiaomi still includes its charger and cable in the box, and included module draws 67 watts, giving it 13 Lite some impressive charging times for a 4500 mAh battery. The screen is AMOLED Full HD Plus panel with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support. It has a slightly better screen-to-body ratio of 89.5% with curved edges. Xiaomi states that this maximum brightness is 1000 nits. The refresh rate can be set to 60 or 120 Hz with a dynamic setting that switches automatically, making it ideal for gamers and video playback. The phone has one speaker but is still good enough for playing podcasts or watching YouTube videos. For more impressive audio, you can get all the frequencies set to your headphones via Bluetooth 5.2, where you will also be able to hear Dolby Atmos. If your equipment is compatible, the 13 Lite has a 50 megapixel f1.8 main shooter with a Sony IMX766 sensor, which delivers vibrant colors and solid focus. The dual front camera, 32 megapixel f2.4 and 8 megapixel f2.28 depth camera, ideal for selfies and videos. The Xiaomi selfie glove feature, which turn on two lights when shooting for better lighting on your face. With a battery capacity of 4500 mAh, the device can last the whole day with 15 to 20% power left, and if you are running low, the 67-watt turbocharger included in the box will be a savior. Xiaomi offers the 13 Lite two configuration: 8 128GB and 8 256GB. The variant we analyzed in focus, the Xiaomi 13 Lite, is solid option that offers superior performance, elegance, and charm. While the camera quality could be improved with a software update, this phone is set to be one of the best mid-range devices of 2023.